YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. We are getting ready to run a couple of errands, and I just wanted to bring y'all with me so that y'all can have something to do for this next handful of minutes.
And you can spend time with us.
Yeah, like spend time with us, and you know. So we are going to pick up my daughter. Then we are going to go drop off some meat from my dad to fry for us. And then we're going to probably stop and grab something to eat. I don't know. The jury's still out on that. I'm not 100% sure about that. But, so yeah. So ride along and, yeah. Okay, so as you can see, my son is asleep. It has been kind of a long day for him. We have been running errands all day. December is a busy month, period. Like, it's just a busy month, and we're lucky to have the weather that we have right now, because it's like no snow and it's not too cold. As you can see, I got a sweatshirt on. He got a coat on though. But so we have been taking advantage of just this nice weather and trying to get things done. And he has not had a chance to take a nap, and so now we are on our way to pick up my daughter, and he KO'd. So yeah, he'll wake up, I guess, at some point. Whatever. Let him rest. There was a time when I could not get my son to take naps. He would sleep through the night just fine, but I could not get him to take naps during the day. And someone was like, try some melatonin. So I did a video in the past about, I had got my first little jar of melatonin, and the very first time I had tried it with him, I did a YouTube video of it. I'll probably link it down below. But I did a YouTube video and I tried out, melatonin. He was 2, he's 4 now. And so that time the melatonin worked. It worked for my 2-year-old. I gave him one little gummy and it worked. It kicked in about, I want to say 45 minutes or so after I gave it to him. And he slept for like 2 hours. But ever since then, I really don't have to give him melatonin at all. I never gave it to him regularly anyways. I just gave it to him on days that I needed him to go ahead and sleep, or if it was a day where his sleep pattern was off, I would give him one. So really don't use them at all. I don't necessarily need to ever, really. But now he takes his naps regularly, and every 2 hours. I mean, every 2 hours. I'm so stupid. I'm just playing. I'm crazy. I'm forgetful. I'm whatever. He take it every once in a while. He takes a nap regularly every day. So I don't need to even give him melatonin like that. So, but I am here to pick up my daughter. So give me a minute.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my mom's video. It's your girl Leela. DJ is asleep right now. My mom won't talk. I don't know why, but
because I've already started talking and you just getting in the car, and
yeah.
So yeah, like she said, it's your girl Leela. It's your girl Lily. Lita Great.
Yeah. Got a lot of nicknames for my mom.
Just picked her up from daycare. So now we are on our way to go to my dad's. Yo, chill out. Doing the most.
So I want to know how you guys do it. Comment down below, please, because I would love to hear what y'all do. I'm nosy. It's not good to be nosy, so I'm gonna try to fix that. And yes.
Yeah. Nosy. I'm thinking about stopping and getting something to eat. I haven't eaten.
I haven't drunk anything.
Oh, because I was about to say, don't say you haven't eaten.
No, I haven't actually I did because I drank some milk.
Wait.
We had cookies and cupcakes today.
Oh, nice. Let's see which way I need to go.
And I met my new friend Sue.
What the heck? Which way is it?
You just came through this way, right? So you just came through this way, so you gotta, yeah.
I gotta turn. You saying yeah, right? Look at him. Fix his head. Oh, shoot. I could have turned. Go on and turn, lady. There we go. There we go. As you can see, we just pulled into Wendy's. I'm hungry, like I haven't eaten all day, so I'm about to get me something to eat. Lila said she want McDonald's, but it's a dub because we just barely making it to Wendy's as it is, to be honest. Oh, my little sonny is still sleeping. Poor kid. He's tired. Oh, what the heck?
I was up since 6.
Lila, get this baseball bat. What the heck is it doing?
I don't know. I got you.
Alright guys, so we just got our food and we are now headed to my dad's for real this time. We are probably about 5 minutes away. 5-6 minutes away. So it won't take us long before we get there, and yeah. We are here
DJ, guess where we are?
to
Right there,
no, I gotta park on the street because it's not, he didn't pull all the way in. But we are here at my dad's house to drop off some meat to fry, because he's gonna fry it for me. And yeah.
Sorry.
GJ,
What's this? Look at Blue's clothes. We're at Granddaddy's house.
she's so foul.
I'm sorry, but that's the only thing that can actually make him get up.
Come on, bud. It's time to go. You see,
We got Wendy's.
You was asleep the whole time we was making the video.
Yeah, we made a video.
You hungry? You hungry? Blink. Show me you're not still asleep.
Can you get your arm through, please? Thank you. You were slobbering. See that?
I'm sleepy too. He got the right idea. Wake up. You ready to go?
Wanna go to
Here.
Granddaddy's house.
Clean his mouth off. Here.
Yeah.
Come, let's go to Granddaddy's house. Alright. So we gonna go into my dad's. CJ's still waking up.
I'm already up now.
You already up now?
Yep.
You done missed the whole video.
He's exploring right now because he's still happy.
Lila, scoot over a little bit and smile. GJ, scoot over some. Scoot over more, Lila. Smile, GJ. Smile. Oh, man. Carrying the meat in. Listen, I'm so hungry. Kids are in there, in the house. Open the door.
Hi, how are you?
Whatever. See? Be careful. Close the door. Oh, so tired. Close the door all the way. Oh. Set this in the sink. Help him with his food, please. Undo his food. He has his right there. Okay. I'm about to go to this bathroom. And I will holler back again. Whoop, whoop. Leaving my dad's for a moment's time, and I got a little extra person here with me.